Alright guys, so I wanted to cover a pretty brief topic today, and this is something that I see some of my students struggle with, as well as other people, especially in the grades of 6 and 7 and up. And that is multiplying two numbers with two digits relatively quickly. So let's take a quick example. Let's just say we have 12 times 19. And if you look at 12 times 19 just in a surface type of way, you're going to see that it's going to take you a little bit of time to solve this, right? But there is a way for us to solve this pretty easily, and that is to recognize that 19 is very, very close to 20. Now, numbers such as 10, 20, so basically 10 or multiples of 10, are very easy to calculate when it comes to multiplying. So for example, if we have 7 times 10, all we have to do is add a 0 next to the 7. And if we have 7 times 20, well, that's going to be the same thing. We're just going to multiply 7 times 2 and then multiply that answer times 10. So this is going to be 140 and so on. So we can see that multiplying by 10 or numbers of 10 or sorry, multiples of 10 is very, very easy and very quick. And we want to try and take advantage of that. And the way we can do that is to transform 19 into a multiple of 10. So rather than calculate 12 times 19, we can calculate 12 times 20 minus 1, which is equivalent to 19. But now, when we expand, here's what we get. 12 times 20 minus 12. Why minus 12? Because that's 12 times 1, and 12 times 1 is just 12. Now 12 minus 20, this is the same as saying 12 times 2 times 10. So we can go ahead and write this 240. And we get 240 minus 12, which will give us 228. So this is a pretty easy technique. It's nothing fancy. It's a pretty easy technique to be able to figure out how to multiply two numbers that have two digits relatively quickly.